Open the provided design in OrCAD PCB Designer. Open the provided PDF in Adobe Acrobat Reader DC. In OrCAD PCB Designer, select PCB Clustering Board Parameters from the menu. The Edit Board Parameters window opens. Select Allegro CIS as the schematic type and PDF as the file type. Select the ellipses for the PDF file and browse to the location of the clustering_board.pdf. Select the file and click Open. Click OK to save the board parameters and close the window. Select PCB Clustering Cross Probe Start PDF Cross Probing from the menu. In Adobe Acrobat Reader DC, select Cross Probe Selection tool. Navigate to the CAM Sheet 3 and select CAM_chip Sheet 2. Click to select U1. Select CAM Chip Sheet 3, hold down the Control key and click to select RA21. Select CAM Chip Sheet 4. Hold down the Control key and drag to select RA24 and RA22. Hold down the Control key again and drag to select C699, C695, and R156. Select CAM Chip Sheet 5. Hold down the Control key and drag to select all the capacitors. Select CAM Chip Sheet 6. Hold down the Control key and drag to select all the capacitors. When all the components have been selected in the PDF, return to OrCAD PCB Designer. Right-click in the PCB canvas and select Define Clusters Reposition. Click to place a cluster on the PCB canvas. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eda.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.